Okay, welcome all to the June Security Working Group meeting. And today, let me share the agenda on the chat. At the time, we're going to start with the admin as always, approving the meeting minutes from last meeting on May 9th. Okay, Rafin says it looks good to him. Thank you, Rafin. All right, so if no objection, we consider those meetings approved. And we'll merge them soon. So I have one item in the agenda that I added, which is project proposals for projects that I have worked on to be supported under the working group. And those are two amend wrappers for linters and security scanner tools to be integrated with ROS 2. Those are amend band and amend SendGrep, and they're both linked in the agenda. So I don't know if you guys have seen them before. I've shared them in previous meetings, but at the moment I already opened a project proposal issue, as is the process for the working group. And in that issue, you can review the context, the project, and make any comments on that. And yeah, usually we vote, and the group makes a decision on whether to support those projects. Hi, Kali. Welcome.
Hey guys.
So the amend wrappers are completely implemented, and now we should take care of it, or maybe I do not understand it completely.
They are fully implemented, and they include tests as well and linters, requirements for a project to be proposed. And basically, I added a description on the issue, project proposal, with the link to the repo. So if you want to give it a test, there are instructions on the README at the repo.
Okay. I didn't check it till now, but I will.
And this project shouldn't require a lot of maintenance. So it wouldn't be like I think a great workload on anyone in the group. So basically it's following the same structure as the other amend linters on the amend lint package, like amend CPP check, which basically, just wraps the tool and offers some of the command line options, the basic ones. And it also generates XUnit formatted file that, so it's commonly used for people using these linters at the time to get to be able to integrate the results in the same format. So that's basically what it is. Modeling after amend CPP check, for example. Bandit, which is very widely used open source Python scanner, static analysis scanner. And SendGrep is a little bit more versatile, and you can really use it for a number of languages and any rule sets you want, even your own rule sets. So yeah, that is, and the reason I wanted to propose it is, it's very much aligned with the purpose of the group, which is promoting security in the ROS community. So if more developers have the chance to easily integrate these linters, then that should be a good thing for ROS security in general. Yeah, that's it.
Is SemGrep completely free, or do I need a paid license?
No, it's completely free.
Okay.
It's open source, and so they have a number of rule sets on their registry that you can use out of the box. Like if you want a rule set for even bandits, like they have a Python bandit rule set that has the same functionality almost as the actual bandit. And then specific kinds of vulnerabilities like cross-site scripting vulnerabilities that you want to look for in your code, or secrets stored in code, stuff like that. And then rule sets for specific languages like C, C++, or Python. So I've tried it, I've worked with it a bit, and yeah, all of that is free. There might be another paid option, but that's all free.
Did you try it for Python and C++ as well, or?
The moment I tried it for Python,
Okay.
but I know it supports C, C++. It's noted in the websites. Yeah, and Rafin says, okay, when you get a chance, you'll try it out on the NAP2 CI. Awesome. Thanks, Rafin.
Yeah, I will try it in our packages for and try it for C, C++.
Yeah, sounds good. And the one thing about SemGrep though is that currently it's packaged only via pip, and so it cannot really be added to ROS2 in the future. Bandit can be, but with SemGrep, we already added the ROS step key anyway to ROS distro, so it can be, you can make use of ROS tooling to install, but yeah, just in terms of future development or future milestones.
Yeah.
That's the only caveat about it.
Sounds good.
Yep, and then so in terms of voting, I guess we can all do it async on the issues themselves.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, there's some comment on that on the community repo. Sub-projects. Yeah, this is basically a guideline. So there will have to be a unanimous agreement for approvers. Okay, that's it for me. I just wanted to share that. Okay, Rafin says we had two previous topics, such as the deprecation of OpenSSL enums in the Python crypto lib. Yes, in the last meeting, and the secure DDS compatibility between FastDDS and Cyclone DDS. That was mentioned in the Matrix chats.
Yeah, that was from my side.
So I saw there's a couple issues open for the secure DDS compatibility with FastDDS. Sorry, Cyclone and FastDDS. Yeah, and that's been reported. Correct.
Yeah, but I think there won't be a solution in the near future because FastDDS uses basically elliptic curves and Cyclone RSA, if I remember it correctly. So that will be difficult that one will support the other.
I think FastDDS also supports the RSA keys.
Okay, but there was one thing which is incompatible. Maybe it's Cyclone parsing something wrong. I don't know.
Okay, might be. I have no experience with Cyclone.
So the FastDDS closed their tickets from inactivity.
Yes, Rufin, I think I have an example. Well, I tried it 4 weeks ago, so it should be possible to collect something. Not yet. It's in our internal report, but should be possible to publish it.
So is this something that you'll be taking on?
Yeah, I can do this till maybe not end of this week, but mid of next week or so.
Okay, sounds good. We can pick it up back on Matrix and see next meeting what the progress is.
Yep.
All right. So the OpenSSL issue on Windows, let me see if there's been any more work done on that. So that was shared last meeting. Yeah, Marco's not here today. So let's see the issue. I'll share in the chat the issue open for that. Basically, it's a library mismatch issue happening on Windows right now that was picked up on during the testing party. Has to do with a new version of OpenSSL, which is still not updated for Linux. So right now it's only a Windows issue. Yeah, I don't see a lot of updates on that since May 9. Yeah, the Matrix server, I saw some issues too. I couldn't load it a few days ago. So, but yeah, so I don't have an update personally on that issue besides what we're seeing here. All right, anything else on your end?
Nothing from my side.
Yeah, me neither. Thank you.
All right, we can keep discussing what's going on with that OpenSSL issue on Matrix then.
Good.
That makes sense. All right, yeah, we'll keep an eye on that. Okay, thank you. Thanks, Rafael. And thank you all.
Thank you all. Have a nice day.
All right.
Thank
I'll see
you.
soon.
You too.